There's a saying that goes like this: if you're persistent, you get it. But if you're consistent, you'll keep it. I'm sure it's no news at all that I'm one of the most inconsistent people you can find on YouTube. I mean, I've made so many videos with so much gap in between, like a month or 2 months, and recently 5 months. But finally, I've got great news. Can't wait to share with you guys. Let's get going. A lot has happened these past few months that I left YouTube. I mean, some crazy things like me getting robbed and losing some of my most favorite things that really hurts. To moving out of my old place and starting my company all over again, trying to restructure things to make things better, more automated, to make my workflow more effective. I mean, a bunch of crazy stuff. There were a bunch of good stuff as well. I mean, I did need to restructure my company, but I guess I learned it through a really tough lesson. Getting a new place, hence the new sets. I'm redesigning this space. I can't wait to show you guys the new office. It's actually going to be so dope. I'll give you a sneak peek of part of it. Like, that's where I'm filming right now, like my own personal office. But there's a ton of other new spaces that's coming up. A bunch of other new projects that I worked on, documentaries, branding projects. I mean, there's a whole lot of things that happened within these past months, and I can't wait to share them with you. But throughout all the craziness and the busy schedules going around, I lost my way. You know, I lost my interest in making new videos and making new YouTube videos and learning new things and experimenting with myself in front of the camera, speaking with you guys. I sort of lost the desire to come back and create new videos. And it was at this point that I felt the community here, my friends and family, people that really cared, had my back and encouraged me to come back. Because I would have been much longer than this, I guess. Having phone calls from friends and family, and some of the subscribers leaving comments behind, like, when are you coming back to make another video? And all that really went a long way to persuading me to try and make a comeback. But this time is going to be very different. I'm not going to make promises like I used to and give myself so much pressure, trying to get everything really looking good. If I don't have my black magic, I'm not shooting. I really don't care anymore. I just want to make the videos I care about, the videos that I feel will help you guys get your designs on another level, your photography, your filmmaking. I mean, get to run your business that you guys are running much more efficiently with what I'm learning. I'm not an expert at anything, but I'm somebody who likes to experiment and try out new things. And if I find anything that works, I feel like I have to share with other people so they can also try it as well. That's just me. So this time around, I'm going to be pretty casual. I'm going to make as much videos as I can when I can, but I'm not going to stay away more than 3 weeks, I guess. I'm doing it again, but you get a point. I'm going to try and make as much as I can, and I really can't wait to share all the new projects I've worked on and all the new projects I'm about to work on with you guys. So stick around. And lastly, I would want to say thank you to everybody who kept watching the videos. I mean, month after month, I just saw my subscribers rising, and I hadn't even made a new video. So thank you to all of you guys who made it to watch my videos, who liked and made comments and everything. If I haven't replied to comments, I'll start doing that from today. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll try and catch you guys next time, and stay tuned for more amazing content coming up your way. Bye.